Well, I want to start by appreciating my IG, Inspector General of Police, Federal Republic of Nigeria, IGP Fayode Adegoke, MPN, PhD, for deeming it fit to post me to this zone as AIG Zone 2. It's indeed a great honor that I'm posted here, and I will not take the opportunity for granted. I see my posting as a challenge, and a challenge to make sure that I add quality, add value to the security situation in both Lagos and Ogun, and improve on it. I'll complement the efforts of the commissioners of police in both states and ensure that Lagos and Ogun remain relatively crime-free. I know the terrain in Lagos and I know the terrain in Ogun. I've worked in Ogun State, I've worked in Lagos, and I know where the problems are. I will leverage on where the problems are and carry along the two commissioners, and we put us together and make sure that issues that borders some areas in terms of crimes are adequately nipped in the bud and taken care of. Summarily, my coming here is to determinedly work to make sure that crime and criminal activities in these two states are reduced to the barest minimum. Secondly, is to ensure that we collaborate, we work together with the members of the public and build trust between the members of the public and the police. That trust that is still not well rooted will be rooted, and we make sure that we bank on the intelligence and information from members of the public to make sure that all these crimes are taken care of very effectively and efficiently. We'll be accountable, we relate to members of the public, and we make police presence visible everywhere, so that with police presence all over the place, the members of the public will be rest assured that we are around and we are there to respond to their needs and concerns. And that is exactly what we're going to do.
Okay, sir, you were here before the DCP in charge of administration and finance. But today you are returning as AIG Zone 2. So how do you feel coming back to Zone 2 as AIG today?
Like I said, I'm so excited to be here, and I'm happy to be back here. It's a familiar terrain, and that makes the job easy for me. And I will capitalize on that to make a lot of difference in the policing of both Lagos and Ogun State. Add value to it and make it better than what it used to be.
One spectacular event that happened in Lagos while you are the command, you are the helm of affairs in command of Lagos, was the 9 suspected kidnapper killed. And we expected that before you leave, the remaining would have been arrested. What is your plan, even as AIG, to arrest those ones that were wounded and possibly other ones that are in Ogun State under your command?
Well, I must say it loud and clear that we have not rested on our oars. We are still guarding our intelligence, and I believe that within the shortest possible time, we round up the rest of them.
No, that would be all. And now that you are in control, sir, what should we expect from PCFC?
Yes, PCFC is that strong, very solid body that has been assisting the police for many years. They assist us in many ways in terms of logistics support, in terms of mobilizing, motivating the people to support us, in terms of bridging the gap between the police and the members of the public. At Zone 2, I will work very, very well with the PCFC, collaborate, partner with them effectively to make sure that policing is taken to a very high level, and making sure that the members of the public too are more motivated, encouraged, and brought closer to the police. Gone are the days when members of the public will now distance themselves from the police. These days, we police with the members of the public. They are part of our policing strategy, and we continue to work with them in achieving good results.